And moving on, rights groups Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch have called for repeal of the recent amendment by Pakistan to its Cybercrimes Act, terming the legislation the latest move in a concerted campaign to restrict freedom of expression and stifle dissent.
The Pakistan government's recent amendment to its Cybercrimes Act is the latest in a concerted campaign to restrict freedom of expression and stifle dissent, rights groups Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch have said, calling for its repeal. With the promulgation of the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Amendment Act or PECA Ordinance 2022, imprisonment against defamation has been enhanced from 3 years to 5. Calling it a move to curb fake news, it allows anyone from the public to become a complainant against defamation of any public office holder. Nadia Rahman, acting Deputy Regional Director at Amnesty International, said, PECA has been used to silence freedom of expression on the pretext of combating fake news, cybercrime and misinformation. It particularly endangers journalists, human rights defenders and political opponents who run the risk of prosecution for merely doing their jobs, she said. Patricia Gossman, Asia Associate Director at Human Rights Watch, said the new amendments will further embed violations of basic rights with a thin veneer of legality. Meanwhile, opposition leader in the National Assembly Shehbaz Sharif said on Monday that the joint opposition has resolved to seek repeal of the amended law in the parliament under Rule 145, terming it an exhibition of authoritarian, fascist and undemocratic thinking of PM Imran Khan's government. Sharif supported the decision of the Media Joint Action Committee to challenge the ordinance in the court.